attachment to the self is necessary? That self is God. God is already there. I have to just shift my attention. A pure mind can shift the attention. So a pure mind is absolutely essential. To purify the mind, I am living in this world. Chittasya shuddhaye karma natu vastu palabdhaye. Chittasya shuddhaye karma. Where does it come? Viveka Chudamani. Chittasya shuddhaye karma. I am doing all my duties, responsibilities for what? Chitta shuddhi. Ishwararpitam nechaya kritam chitta shodhakam mukti sadhakam. Which text? Upadesha Sara of Ramana Maharshi. Ishwararpitam nechaya kritam. When actions are done as a worship of the Lord, without likes and dislike, chitta shodhakam, those actions become means for purification. And how will it help? Mukti sadhakam. It becomes a means for liberation. Knowing oneself is called liberation. Right. So, kartavya nirvahanam, samyak acharanam, Ishvara arpana buddhi, performing it as a worship of the Lord, pleasing the Lord. Bhagavan should be pleased with me. Then when Bhagavan is pleased with me, tesham satatayuktanam bhajatam pritipurvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti. To such a person who worships me, loves me, dedicates to me, obeys me, I give him everything. Bhagavan, just like you, when you are so pleased with your children, what do? Whatever the child asks, you give, isn't it? In the same way, when we live a life pleasing our Creator, Dadami Buddhi Yogam, I give him that knowledge, self-knowledge. Yena mam upayanti, by which they come to me. Teshamevanukampartham aham ajnanajam tamaha nashayami atma bhavastaha jnana deepena bhasataha. I light the lamp of knowledge remaining in their heart. Out of my compassion, I light the lamp of knowledge, and therefore all the darkness of ignorance, everything is destroyed. So you win the grace of God. You see,